how to handle your emails. Those who are working in corporates, they knows that how many emails we are receiving on daily basis from many places, from many sources, be it your customer, management, business unit, and so on. And it's it's an art to manage your emails. We are thinking that it's just an email, but how to manage it, how to handle it, this is very important. We should know which emails is very important, highly prioritized. So those email we need to respond as quickly as possible. Many a times emails are coming where a particular team members only can work. So we need to forward those email to that particular individual by keeping CC to another team member, so that if other one is not seeing, if person A is not seeing, that person B can see. Whenever we are replying, many a times business unit is sending email to individually us only, but I worked on that, I responded that email to that person. What happened to my other team members, they won't come to know. So based on situation, based on the content, while replying you can include your team members as well, or you can respond to that person with their query, and after that same email you can forward to your team members also, so that they can also come to know that what happened, whether any new updates are there, then they can update their procedure and all. Because everyone should have on same page knowledge wise. Many a times it happens that you know only one person, so they used to send that particular individual only for any query. That's fine, but when you reply, include your team members also. If you think your TL or manager should know these things, include them also in CC. There is one other option is there, BCC, blind carbon copy, which is professionally not advisable, but if you think that that person need to be there, you can involve, but always try to avoid it, I would say. You can respond that email, and then after that, if you think, you can forward your email to that person, your manager or TL, if you think that they should also know these things. So many emails are coming. If something not related to you, you can unread it, but unless and until you are replying, just mark it, highlight it that we need to follow up, or just put it as a read only, because once it is get unread, we are thinking that yeah, we responded, or we tend to forget the things. No one will listen this answer that I forget to respond. You have to track your emails very nicely. And before log off, the best thing, even I am also following that, before log off, from login time until log off time, I will check my all mailbox, how many emails I had received and how many I responded, so that nothing should be left. Even as I said that few emails are related to your team members only, who on that they only can work. You forwarded them, that's fine. So you can, if you got the answer, fine. If you didn't get, just check your send item also, that I sent this email to this person, but still I didn't get an update. You have to track emails very, very effectively, because no one is ready to listen that I forget. Within a particular deadline, you have to respond. I would say on same day, but normally if not same day, at least next day. And if you think that the particular query what the other person is asking, it will take time, at least keep them posted that we have started working, we will keep on updating you, so that they will also come to know that yes, someone is working. But there are times that in 2-3 days, if you don't respond, they will definitely come back, and many times they are coming back by keeping CC to everyone, which is not a good thing. Responding so many people, many times all big shots are there at high designation people, they will ask so many questions. So to avoid that, we should know how to manage our Outlook or mailbox very effectively. So I hope this video will help some of you. Thank you so much for watching, friends.